Hello and welcome back to another video. Now today I'm not going to be making anything and it's not a workshop vlog. Instead today I'm going to be talking about how I'm in the Woodturning magazine. So for those who don't know, this is Woodturning. It's one of the UK's leading magazines in woodturning and it is an awesome magazine. So I've managed to get myself into this magazine on page 61 and on page 62. Here we go. So this article is all about why I started woodturning, a bit about some of the projects I've done, lots about Woodturner's Blend, design and make, aspirations for the future, and sort of my first ever wood-turned projects. So if you don't have a subscription to Woodturning magazine, you can buy it in WH Smith's or online, and hopefully some of you might get a chance to read this. It's really awesome to be in a magazine that I've read for quite some time now and actually be featured in something that I love to read. I think it's really, really awesome and I love how they've laid out the article. So the caption is, a Woodturner's Blend, young turner and entrepreneur James Smith discusses his product and aspirations. So I think it's a really nicely laid out article. I love the cover image they've used as well. This is the image my brother took, hopefully you can see that. So it's just an image of me turning on the lathe. I was turning a small oak bowl, I believe, at the time. It's got a photo of my first ever bowl, Scorched Inferno bowl, and 2 photos of Woodturner's Blend. So essentially it's split into a couple of sections. So we've got new beginnings down here, we've got a bit more about that, then we've got aspirations for the future, Woodturner's Blend, and my YouTube channel. So I hope some of you do get the chance to read this and let me know on your feedback. I did write this article, so hopefully it's good, hopefully it's an enjoyable article to read and has lots of information and some stuff that a lot of you may not perhaps know from watching my videos. It's got a couple of sort of aspirations for the future that I haven't discussed on the channel, so I think that might be quite cool as well. But I really am honoured to be able to be in this magazine. It's so very cool to be featured in a magazine that I've read for a long time. Now obviously I'm going to have this somewhere up on the workshop. I think I've got 2 or 3 of these now. One that I'm just going to keep as a copy like this, and then I'm going to have, because it's across 2 pages like that, so it's not double spread, so I'm going to cut both pages out, and then I'm going to have them on an A3 photo frame, probably up there or up there. I had to work out where to point again. But yeah, I'll be in between the design and make canvas or the Woodturner's Blend and the Union Jack canvas. I think it would look quite good up there. I think that's a nice area that I can put it. If it looks too cluttered, I'll probably end up moving it to over there where the kitchen area is, or perhaps somewhere over there where the clock currently is. But yeah, I just wanted to do a very quick video here. It'll probably only be a couple of minutes or 3 or 4 minutes, something like that. But it's basically just to say I'm in a magazine and I'm absolutely over the moon. In case you can't tell by my facial expression, this is really awesome. I've absolutely loved writing this article. I loved the whole process and hopefully I'll get the chance to write in a magazine again at some stage. So there we go, we've got that page, and if I can flick it, there we go, and that page. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you're interested in getting it, it's Woodturning issue 356. Thank you very much for watching.